चक्रेवायव्य नारण्याग्राम्यास्ते श्रीखंडम चंदनम दिव्यम गंधाद्यम सुमनोहरम विलेपनम सुरश्रेष्ठम चंदनम प्रतिगृह्यतां चंदनम समर्पयामि अक्षन्नमी मदंता हिमप्रिया अधूषत अस्तो शतसभानवो विप्रानविष्टयामति योजानविन्द्रके हरि अलंकारार्थे अक्षतान् समर्पयामि ओम औषधे प्रतिमोदध्वं पुष्पवतीः प्रशूवरेः अश्वा इव सजित्वरेर्वेरुधः पार इष्टमः पुष्पं समर्पयामि पुष्पमाल्यां समर्पयामि पुष्पान्ते धूपम् ओम धूरसि धुर्वधुर्वन्तं धुर्वतं योऽस्मान् धुर्वति तं धुर्वयं वयं धुर्वामः देवानामसि वहनितमग्धुं ससितमं प्रपितमं जुषतमं देवहूतमं धूपं माघ्रापयामि वनस्पतिरसोद्भूतो गन्धाढ्यो गन्ध उत्तमः आघ्रेयं सर्वदेवानां धूपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यतां धूपं माघ्रापयामि ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहो राजन्यः कृतः
This, as you can see the visuals on your screen, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, who's paying tribute at the Sukhna War Memorial in Darjeeling. He's on a 2-day visit to all the forward areas of West Bengal and Sikkim. We have my colleague Shivani Sharma, who is the defense reporter, on the phone lines. Shivani, a big boost, if you could hear me, a big boost to India right now.
Adhiraj, this is the pious occasion of Vijayadashmi, and this is the tradition which the armed forces have been following since years. And today, when the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is performing Shastra Puja, it comes as a great morale booster for the defence forces of the country. And this is even more important in today's scenario when India is in a standoff position with the Chinese forces along the LAC. And extreme weather conditions, but still the deployments are strongly positioned, and India is on a stronger hold point, as we have seen, and the dialogue is still continuing, but the morale booster visit of Defence Minister is significant on the occasion of Vijayadashmi. Last year also we saw that Defence Minister had gone to France and he celebrated his Dashera with the Rafale there. And today, when he's amongst these soldiers along the LAC in Sikkim and West Bengal, the occasion becomes even more important, and it will definitely boost the morale of all the defense forces who are deployed along the region. Adhiraj.
Of course, very important developments coming in right now, as we can see the visuals on your screen. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh offering his prayers. Now also at this point of time, the Raksha Mantri is in Darjeeling, where he's going to review the LAC situation very soon in the eastern sectors at Army's Trishakti Corps. At a time where the Indo-China skirmish just finished some time ago, with talks of Corps Commander level still taking place, this sends a message of solidarity, especially for those troops of ours at the areas, at the borders, patrolling our security. Shivani, another important question. This visit, the significant visit of our Raksha Mantri in Sikkim right now, what can we expect out of it?
Raksha Mantri has been meeting with, the visit started yesterday at Adhiraj. He reached 33 Corps and he met the troops there, he met the commanders, and he also participated in a cultural program on the occasion of Vijayadashmi. And today when we see the Shastra Puja is happening, this itself is a strong message. And he will be interacting to the troops now, and he might give a message of which will even boost the morale of these troops. And later, he will be inaugurating a few projects along the region. And as we were informed that he might also visit few forward locations, and also a mandir he has to visit during the celebrations of Dashera, which are happening today after the Shastra Puja. And we might get a strong message from the Defence Minister that how strongly our soldiers are doing their duty. So it is a very significant visit on the occasion of Dashera. The Shastra Puja itself it signifies the valor and the strength of our army. So today when he's with the troops on the occasion of Dashera, it is actually very important, and the strong message also gets passed on.